Okay, today we're going to listen to the sound of the Ditto Looper Pedal. We're going to plug it into the Marshall cabinet. We're going to use the Kramer guitar, and we're going to listen to it. Let's see what some of these knobs do. And it does have a USB connection here, and this is the power source, output, and then input. And there's the back of it right there. All right, pretty small, but we're going to give it a run. Let's listen to it. So right now, the Looper pedal is on standby. Let's listen to the clean guitar. Clear that, you just hold the button down and you can just clear that. Okay, and let's record another one. All right, so for simple riffs, you can do it like that, and you can also turn up the loop level to go higher. I can just start it again. That's something I just recorded.